Yeah, so nice. So Jamaica in the building, you know. Yeah, man, we're there again. People, big up on yourself. Bless up on yourself. Yeah, man, welcome to the program. I mean, I ask you, say, if you're new, get comfy, cause that program is normal. You see me? Roll up a spliff, bust a red stripe, do what you do, coffee, whatever. You are going to know. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button too. So you are going to know bad people. We should start Mr. Vegas. Actually, no, cause I could just get this out of the way, you know. Big up Mr. Vegas. See me? I don't want when I do my thing, people feel like say, I take side with nobody. But the reviews, and we keep it out to go. So with that said, big up Mr. Vegas. Big up Bounty Killer. You see? Alright, let me keep it this way. So, Mr. Vegas, this is my question. I know a lot of people still want to ask, and some still want to ask and not ask, but I'm going to ask that question. Yeah. What's the problem with the eye and the vloggers them and killer sales, virgin? You realize you can't beat the vloggers them, virgin, if the eye not do well sales wise, virgin, like. Brother, you mean to tell me, say no? I the look of vlogger them responsible for go buy killer album. Not to say vloggers them are no fans. But if you have to check the scale and weigh this thing, hypocrite fans them weigh out, weigh and brought down the scale. When if you make up on your mind, virgin. Now the best way was if you go beat the vlogger them. No. That's why you never beat the producer. And say him just never do a good job. Why you have to be vlogger them? And if vloggers them never vlog and tell people say they're not going to support the project, virgin. Then again, you mean to tell me, say, a man have so much fans. I look a young vlogger now. I try to get 1,000 subscribers for all long. Some man will take it take some man years in a virgin. This YouTube thing is not easy like what it look like, you know. And for some people, in a month, them have all 2-3K subscribers. Everybody journey is not the same. So if you say a vlogger should I go buy 100 copy. Vegas, take off your glasses, virgin. And if you take off your glasses when you do your video, them can come like you're blind before I go on in the youth. You know think you better you go over Andrew Wall in his office. I have a meeting with the Dan and tell the Dan, say, look, I poor people govern this, you know. If I have 1,000 download and 1,000, you know, people out of parliament support the Dan and buy a copy. You know, things say, would I sell more instead of you beat the flag of them. More I know how much copy you buy and send go give your friend them. Cause as we realize right now, a lot of artists only begin at them space at Jamaica, virgin. It's a sad thing, but I truth. This is why South Jamaica is here for the people. Out of many, we have this one great nation we call Jamaica. And we have to stand up strong and firm for it. You see it? We have to support our own, virgin. You see it? We need to support our own. And you can't blame no one set of people, virgin. So if you get up and beat the flag of them, it's like a hypocritical statement to them, virgin. Why you never beat the promotion? Because you can't tell me, say, 2 big artists are drop a project. And no promotion. Alright, for instance, if you go off of your status then, your name, because your name is a big brand. A baby shaman, a bounty killer. A big brand that. You see me? In a dancehall. But you have to know say currently, these days, them new youth yeah. A skeng them over here. Big up skeng. Generation change, virgin. Think of it, virgin. So you mean to tell me, say, they are them honestly now in a real state of mind. Said, you really want to put back your mind to like 2000, 1999 and them place they on the mind in a music, virgin. See them beat the new artists them. Every new artist of ours get beaten. Wicked. Them this, them that, them this, them that. But for somehow, the new artists them, for some reason, them a sell more records, them a get more stream. What is the case in this? What is the case in this? It's just that the people are more driven by youngness. I don't know. People, what's going on? Some people now accept say it's a time and place for everything. Right? You remember when Scarface moving forward, or the hottest thing, every gangster, everybody want to turn drug dealer, right? That play out. Then they did have menace to society. You see me? Then you have many others just forward and replace that one there. No matter how good it is at something in that history, that I feel just hold it space and know say for that space and that time there, it lock that space and time there. That make it be history. Cause within that space and time there, that was the greatest thing that exists at that moment there. You see me? So it is impossible, virgin. For a man feel say, where I used to sell 10 years ago, a decade ago, I go have the same relevance today. No, virgin. It don't work like that. You have to remember, virgin. A lot of people fan base dead out too, Don't get it twisted, Longer the artists been around. Come on, now. You see how much people are move at the time I live up out of here. Enough of the artists, them long time artists there. Them fan base like them are dead out or something, virgin. I don't know, brother, but look strong. And then you have a man like Vegas in him feelings. Very emotional. And then again, how could no one see this, right? You come like say, I'm me alone a pre this, right? But you know say, Cargo, right? Big up Cargo. Really mean well for dancehall. You don't need to listen to Cargo more while, If some artists listen to Cargo, I guarantee you said not only them will be rich, but it will be better enough for them. Probably that's why them outcast Cargo, cause him not really, you can't blame a man for not really want to take a charge from a man, when a man really, I see the bigger picture. And, you see me? Someone needs to listen to Cargo. Big up Cargo. Cargo see the bigger picture within the music business. You understand? Some of them artists here want to live off of their name status alone. Time change. You see me? Only time some man tweet and post are when them are diss an ex-artist. Or when a drama. It's impossible. If you have a big artist, two big artists that drop music. So you tell me, say, the man them not go live and promote them things cause and like in the past. Where You can reach people instant. Now instant. Any platform. Instantly. Notification a pop up. So, them think they're embarrassment, Jed. You see? Or is it vloggers doing better numbers than artists these days? A lot of vloggers that do better numbers than a lot of artists, you know. But we are left that for your next one. Because now the whole vlogger community will be attacked. But I know the vloggers them fault, Virgin. And we see where 6 bars forward, big up squash. And burn out some vlogger too. Which, in a case like that, you can't really blame the man for forward and say what him say. Cause me even see a platform drop series for another man's life, but it's another thing. You know? So what to believe or what can believe at this point? Who can be trusted at this point? Alright, I'm gonna show you our vibes. You know what I say? The eye them have some bridging out there where you can't even hold a reasoning with. You know what I say? Enough man we get real gunshot over reasoning with them bridging. Them bridging, you know. This supposed to be a bridging, you know. And just to you bring up him favorite artist name, you know. You can't have an artist debate with your favorite bridging because he will give a real gunshot over him favorite artist and you the things that your favorite bridging this in a bridging. You hear me I pray? And if you check him device where him a stream from or whatever, him don't download the artist song. Him don't share it on none of the platform them when him dep on a hype at the time. But you can't mention the artist name. So now people, you realize it now. We have to be honest, right? We don't realize it. We love foreign content more than we own content. Check yourself for a second and just be real with yourself. Yard people mind are foreign. The people them with are foreign are pre-yard people. Pre the mats. The people them with are yard now have nothing to do with yard. They can care less about the artists them. I rapper them a pre on TV. You understand? So, why you think it's so rough for your artists at Jamaica? Cause the people they mind the elsewhere. A foreign mind thing, my youth. You see it? Yeah. So you can't eat up yourself and I get this gruntal virgin. You'll get heart attack virgin. You have to build. Let me tell you this king. Them say it already. Gone bad last night. Move on the morning. You hear, brother? That me I tell you. So, if you're a man forward, I want to take out them artist problem pan vloggers. Virgin. That one they never make it. I see artists celebrate when other artists no make no good sales. You understand? It's a thing. It's a thing. But you have to know this still. Promotion go a long way, Virgin. You understand? And one thing with Jamaican people, if you never know this, no one never learn. Jamaican people mind is like one track, you know. You see it? It's like once you pick up something on the scanner and you copy it, you just go and print that for a long while. Yeah, man. So, let me tell you this, and yo, the people them just not feel the project you're bridging. No, it's My youth. So, you see it, I tell you say I pay a hypocrite there around. You know. Where it song there. Drop the comment on the hit song of our project. Right? Have a lot to do with the project sales to you know my youth. You can't force things upon people. If it not connect, it just not connect. Go back and do drawing board and do what you do best. That one that did not connect and that just that bridging. I don't know if I production. I don't know what go on. I don't know if the chemistry never genuinely how it should be. Because a man can't just grab two bridging and know say they a deal for how much years. And bring them overseas because say you do a project. It's like we have to learn each other friendship all over again. Like, no brother, I never depend on that. So I tell you, you can't trick your audience, you know. Don't try to fool the audience, brethren, because you're not going to turn out the way it should turn out star. Our legendary artists, them, we have so much love and appreciation for. You see me, so we need to see a bigger promotion next time, brethren. The promotion wasn't right, bro. I tell you that straight up. Me can't see that the promotion wasn't nothing that is impossible. Brother. If you don't want to believe, just don't believe. The promotion wasn't there. If that was promotion, a fake promotion, that, me I tell you that. If that project had promotion on it, that's like what you would call fake stream over YouTube or something. A fake promotion that no promotion wasn't on that. I think they will just go off of them name base and I say the shock value of hearing say this legendary artist I got to do a project. You're supposed to just run go by it, but brethren, remember this. There's so much things that grab people attention. For one, in a 5 minutes, 5 billion things in front of your face to choose from within 5 minutes time. So if your thing now promote certain way and I print it and knock like you knock on the door and I print it in them forehead, I say yes. Next week. Nobody not gonna really see that. You can't blame people, brethren. At the time where we are living at time, things move triple, quadruple faster than where it used to move in the 90s. You see it? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. So Jamaica, subscribe, like and share. Boom! Only thing me done, me just a forward. Only thing me done. Yo, so me I tell you now, people. Right now, if we're not gonna be real with yourself and keep it 1,000, right? When I remember one time I did Yellow Man, I did King of Dancehall. Then after it was Beanie Man, right? And then it was Vibes Cartel, right? And then it was Vibes Cartel, right? And then it was still Vibes Cartel, right? Alright. You know, say right now, we have a new king in our dancehall. Comment, I go burn up now. Ronan, I go not make sure so no put it like, nah, if this not get over 1,000 like, you know, hey, people. Uno did know, say, Alkaline are the new king of dancehall. Every light I studio light up. The boss of all brother. Uno did know, say, dancehall have a new king in a dancehall right now. Drop a comment right now. Who are the new king in the dancehall? I'm going to ask you this. Is it Alkaline the new king in dancehall right now? Big up the Vendetta boss. Big up every Vendetta fan. Also, big up Cartel. Big up Beanie Man. Big up King Yellow Man. That's so we do it. We don't play no one over here. We keep it how it should be. Entertainment it name. We not have Vietnam. We not war. We not make no war for nobody. People, drop on an honest statement in the comment section. Big up on yourself and burn up your like button. Who no feel say is the new king? It's new rules. in attendance. So I could know what I go on now. New king, I could know. New king of dancehall right now. Burn up the comment section. Me I wait. Yes, I.